Emakhosini Thobela. Ngiyaqhubeka. I'm continuing with the part 2 of Batwa Ndawe from Batwa people. Ndawe from Batwa people. As I said, Batwa people were the first human in Africa continent. Those humans were called Batwa people. Remember, Africa was called Tankro. As I said earlier on, Africa was called Tankro, of which means the land of gods, of which Tankro means the land of God. So Batwa were residing in the Africa continent, which was called Tankro, but their land was near the Nile River and Congo, of which their land was called Tenket. Their land was called Tenket, next to Nile and Congo. Of the Tenket means the land of the beginning, the land of the beginning, because those were the first people here in South Africa. Were the first people here in South Africa. I'm not so sure because South Africa now it's actually North Africa, as people are saying. There's a lot in thing of which I don't know where to start by explaining it, but yes, I'm still studying it. But yes, they were here in South Africa. I hope it's the South Africa, because I cannot say Africa as a whole. I would say in South Africa. And Batwa people were calling South Africa Tankro, of which means the land of gods. It's Tankro means the land of gods. Those are Batwa people that were calling South Africa as Tankro, the land of which means the land of God. And they were residing in the area next to Nile River and Congo, of which is a Tankent. Tankent is the land of the beginning, the land of the beginning. Yes, in some studies, it shows that other people are saying the Africa. I'm not talking about South Africa. They say the Africa was actually called Alkebulan, which means mother of mankind. As I said earlier on, Alkebulan, which means the mother of mankind. And Alkebulan, when I look at the word Alkebulan, I think it's from the Greek word. I think it's from the Greek word. However, others are debating that no, it's from the Arab slave name. So, but I believe it's from the Greek word Keblan, because it means mother of mankind, mother of mankind. But Africa as a whole, remember, there's a East Africa as well. There's a East Africa where sithola abo umndawo lo bengikhuluma ngaye wakandaramani, abantu abahleli ngale kubo Zimbabwe, abantu abahleli ngale kubo Malawi, abantu abahleli ngale kubo Maputo, and all those people. Those are it's Africa as a whole, Africa, which including South Africa. They believe it's called the Akebulan, of which means the mother of mankind. So, but Batwa bona, they were calling Africa as the Tankro, of which is the land of gods, the land of which means the land of gods. And but bona, they were residing in the area next to Nile River and Congo, of which is the Tankent. Their area was Tankent, which means the land of the beginning. So or as I was mentioning area on Hore Mdawe, we do have Batwa people and they do have their Mdawe. But let's start here. Who are Batwa people? Who are Batwa people? Batwa people are Batswana people. Batwa people are Basotho people. Batwa people are Batlokwa people. Babang Barki Batokwa people. Batwa people are Babirwa people. Batwa people are Balobedu people. And we also get Amakhalanga, Baharaka people, Amakhalanga, Batwa people, Baharaka people, Li Makaranga people, Batwa people, Abakelozwi people, Batwa people are the Malolotsi people. Malolotsi people are also Batwa people. Bapedi, they are also Batwa people. Bavenda, they are also Batwa people. So under Bavenda, re kry-a Bakhelozwi ba teng mo le ba Mololozi liena uteng under the Venda people. So all those are Batwa people. Those are Batwa people. Today I'm talking about Mundawa Batwa people, the first people that were here in South Africa, the first people that were residing here in South Africa under Tankro, the lands of gods. So I'm gonna start with the who are the Babirwa people. Babirwa tribe are the Sotho-Tswana people who were in Transvaal, the Sotho-Tswana people that were in Transvaal and later migrated to Botswana and Zimbabwe. Go Transvaal ke batho ba Mangope. Batho ba Mangope. That's where the Transvaal is. It was called the Transvaal, that area. And then ke mo no kry-a Babirwa teng, but the origin of Babirwa is from the Sotho and Tswana people. But they were in Transvaal, but later they migrated to Botswana, and others are still in Zimbabwe. And their animal totem ke buffalo. That's why ba ipitsa gore ke dinare. Buffalo ke nare. So those are their animal totem. So the Babirwa, they also falls under the Batwa people. As I said earlier on, Batwa people are the Khoi people, are the Hottentots people, babang barake di Bushmen, but are the the Khoisan people, ke Batwa people bao. And then another group fall under Batwa people, ke Balobedu. Balobedu tribe is also a Sotho-Tswana people, and they are in Limpopo province. Balobedu, they are in Limpopo province, and they are ruled by the female queen, which is called Mojaji. They are ruled by the female queen, which is called Mojaji, and their language is Kelobedu. Their language is Kelobedu. They speak Kelobedu, and their queen is the rain queen, which is called Muchachi. Those are Balobedu people tribe. They also the Sen people. They also falls under Batwa, the Khoisan people. Ke ditlogolwana tsa the Khoisan people. And then ba bangwe ke ba Bagaraga. Bagaraga ba bang ba re Amakhalanga. Bakhalanga le bona, they are located in Zimbabwe and in Botswana most. They are the mixture of various tribes such as Balozwi, Balobedu, Liba Banambia. They are they come from the tribes from Balozwi, Balobedu, Banambia. My tongue, Banambia. So Baharaka or Amakaranga, they are also the descendants of the Khoi people and Libona Gibatwa, Mdawabona ro Peta as Mdawabatwa people. And then after Hoba di Bavenda, they are located in the east, the northeast of South Africa, and others are still at southern Zimbabwe. They are located in the northeastern South Africa, and some are in the southern Zimbabwe. They are the mixture of the Nguni and Sotho people. They are the mixture of the Zulu and Sotho people, but now they are located next to around the Limpopo River in the place called Venda. Ke bona ba Venda bao, and ke mo re kry-a the sub tribes tse tswang ko bona ba bitswang gore ke ba Khelozwi le bona. They are from all those people. Ba bang ba ipitsa gore ke ba Mololozwi, and then ke bona ba Venda. Balobedu ke tshilo gore Balobedu le bona but Balobedu bona ke ba Mojaji, as I said on gore Balobedu ke ba Mojaji, ba Garaka. They are the mixture of Sotho and Tswana, but they are also from Zimbabwe. Ba bangwe they are in Botswana. So Batlokwa are also Sotho Tswana tribe. They are also the descendants of Batwa. They are also descendants of Khoisan people. Batlokwa they are original from the larger group ya Bagatla clan. Bagatla clan, they are also the Khoisan people. They are also Batwa. There's a lot of clans that I will speak about, but now I'm gonna stick to this. But Libona Bagatla, they are also the descendants of the Khoisan people. They are also Batwa Bagatla. So Batlokwa, they are from Bagatla, but bona ba ibitsa gore ke Batlokwa. They had a female they had a strong warrior female queen, ne ba e bitsa hore ke Manthati. I mean Manthatisi was their queen, and her son ba re ke Sikonyela, his son ya Manthatisi ne le Sikonyela. So those people, most of them o ba kry-a ko Free State, and ba bang ba ko Botswana o ba kry-a ko Free State, ba bang ba ko Botswana. Bao ke Batlokwa, they are also the Khoisan tribes, I mean the descendant, and the Libona ke Bathwa. Bapedi, they are also Bathwa because they are from Sotho-Tswana people, but the bona they went to Limpopo straight, and they ba aga ko Sekhukhune district, ke mo le tsebang hore ke Sekhukhune district. But Bapedi, they are also the Khoisan descendants, le bona ke Bathwa. Le bo Magolokwe, bo Geisi le Magolokwe ne le kgosi e kgolo ya Basotho, e ne ilwana e na le matla gagolo, ya try go break away from the Sothos le yona. So ha o re wa sheba batho ba bangata ba Geisi le Magolokwe, they went go Limpopo ba etsa tribe ya Bapedi, ba e bitsa hore ke Bapedi, but ba bang bo Magolokwe they are still under the Sotho, ba bang bo Geisi they are in Botswana. But le bona bo Magolokwe tribe bo Moloi, le ba tseba hore ke ba ga Moloi, because ha o re wa sheba ba ga Moloi they traveled a lot, ba bang ba ya in the East Africa, ba e bitsa hore ke Baloi, ba e bitsa hore ke Baloi, as now they call themselves Batsonga. Kodwa bona they originate from Bagolokwe, the Moloi tribe, and le bona ke Bathwa. So Bathwa tribe, it's a it's large. Bathwa tribe is also large population under yona. So le rona re na le mndao wa rona kwa Bathwa, we are the rain queens. The spirit sa Bathwa gagolo ke spirit sa weather. They control the weather. When there's a draft, they've got powers hore ba kope on the universe, go Kgosatsana ya metsi le ra hore ba kopa pula le mangiloi from the universe hore ba kopa pula. So they do have Mundawe le spirit sa bagolo ba se etsa sa Mlozi, le sona spirit lona le se bitsang hore ke sa Mnguni, le rona re na le tsona di spirits tseo, because re batho ba thaba, re batho ba dinaga. We roll under the caves, let me say that, re roll under the caves, in the water, sea, dithaba everywhere, didiba everywhere. Re na le matla, ke gale nje di spirits tse di bereka, because rona re na le Balozi, and we do have a tribe that is called Balozi vele le Balobedu. Balobedu a kere ke chilo ke ba le Bamjaji. So Molozi ke le ba Nabia le bona, those are the Khoisan people. So mndao o wa rona o cover all these nations that I have mentioned, Bagatla, Batlokwa, Manabia, Balozi, Balobedu, Babirwa, Bavenda, bo Magolokwe le Bapedi, le Batswana le Basotho. We are all Bathwa descendants. We are all Bathwa descendants, and we do have mndao wa rona, and mndao wa rona ro bitsa hore ke Malopo le Sipulane. Malopo, it's a spirit sa pula, it's a spirit sa metsi, it's a spirit sa badimo, that we connect with it in order gore re be dingaka, re kgone go alafa batho, re kgone go combine go etsa dilo di etsege, like if we need a rain or anything. Le ha re tsena ko metsing re tsamaya le Kgosatsana le rona, because Kgosatsana ke yona e re fang matla gagolo, ke yona ile ngesiZulu bayibiza ukuthi unomkhobulwane obusa ku wonke amanzi esinawo, ulwandle, iziziba, imifula, uhlanga, yonke indawo, Impophoma, yonke indawo nje, unomkhubulwane, ingilosi yamanzi, and nawo amanzi eza ngezulu abuya kuyo ingilosi unomkhubulwane, nayo ingilosi unomoya, inkosazana. So remember that there's a Queen Mother, the Heavenly Mother, oyinzala abantu, indlovukazi yezulu, uyo osinika amandla kakhulu, bese maqeda uthuswa ke Ra, ubaba wethu, umenzi wawo konke, uMvelincane, ubaba wethu wasemazulwini, of which we call him Ra, Ramasedi. So yibo abantu, yizo ingilosi ezisinika amandla phezu kwale calling yethu, because we pray under Ramasedi. We also pray from Kgosatsana ya Lehodimong, lo nimbiza ukuthi uma inzala abantu. Siyakhuleka kuye futhi uNomhoyi Kgosatsana yaMitsi, because amanzi onke esiphila kuwona, we from the water, we live in the water, we are water, everything ya rona ke metsi. So inkosazana yiyo le esinika amandla even in this spirituality somdawe. Siyaparula nathi njengabanye abantu mabaparula umdawe. Siyaparula nathi, siyawudla umngoni, impande yomngoni siyayidla, siyawuphakamisa umlozi wasemanzini, umlozi waseyintabeni. Siyenza yonke into nathi, and siyalapha, re na le dipheko, re a di lahla dipheko, re etsa everything. So re dingaka, a re tsona dizangoma, rona re dingaka gagolo. Bathwa people yizinyanga kakhulu. Sisebenza ngomlozi kakhulu, sisebenza ngomlozi, re dingaka. We do go under the initiations for ritual yamalobo, lisipulane, lihosana, lisikharanga, because those are the Bathwa tribe spirits, kisikharanga, ke hosana, ke malobo, lisipulane. We do those rituals, and then after those rituals, they lead us to inzonza, amakhosi, because vele amakhosi, when you do those rituals, they are combined and led by badimu liwona amakhosi, the universal spirits. We use the universal spirit gagolo, siyakhuleka. That's why, as I said earlier on, hore malobo lisipulane, it's a clean mundawe, because we pray a lot. We communicate to the source, we communicate to the universal spirit, we communicate nabantu basemanzini kakhulu, kula sithola khona amandla. Noma sikumikisa uyo parula umdawe, so parula through inkosazane. Thina sisebenza ngenkosazane, sisebenza ngenkosazane masikuparula umdawe. So injalo ke umdawe lo ngikhuluma ngawo ke yiwo lo mdawo wethu lo bengifuna ukunazisa wona. So amakhala wethu manibheka, sisebenza nenkosazane uNomkhubulwane kakhulu. I'm also gonna speak in Zulu, because mina ngijwayele isiZulu, ngikhuliswe abantu bakwaZulu. So these are the colors ezeyindwangu zomdawe esizigcokayo, esisebenzisayo, the bright colors like a rainbow. Amakhala esiwasebenzisayo lawa. Ningasibuza ukuthi, why are you wearing pink, why are you wearing yellow? These are our colors esizigcokayo, thina abantwana bamaKhoisan. We wear these bright colors because sisebenza noNomkhubulwane, ingilosi yethingo lenkosazana. So mawuthi uyawabheka ama-colors esiwagqokayo, they look like a rainbow, they look like a rainbow, because we command the rain, we command the rain, we wear bright and beautiful colors. Yiwo amakhala esiwagqokayo womdawe lana. Ithi ngibheke lana at least kubonakala kahle. Like this color, it's a purplish iskoshane lesi. Siyasigcoka iskoshane siyasigcoka, and sikhona futhi iskoshane siyagcoka kakhulu kwasemasontweni lawa amakhulu asebenzisa the very same spirit senkosazane, bayayigcoka ikoshane. Mawuthi uyabheka kwaShembe bayasigcoka iskoshane, mawuthi uyabheka engenasi eSiyoni ezithi bayasigcoka iskoshane. This is another type of iskoshane, niyabona ukuthi awafani lamakhala. This is a light purplish and black, and this is the royal blue and black, and this is this other one, it's a green and black. So le koshana lezi zinomsebenzi wakhona. The royal blue and black skoshane that is on top, this purple and black, amakhosi waphezulu. Ngoba bona amakhosi waphezulu, amakhosi okunisa imvula. That's why we wear this purple and black, amakhosi okunisa imvula. Lawa amakhosi wasemanzini is the royal blue and black, amakhosi wasemanzini, kimzunza wako Mitsing, o kimzunza wako Dimu, kimdawo linzunza wako Dimu, kimdawo linzunza wako Mitsing. And then ona the green and black and gray, abogogo bamakhosi aphezulu. grey symbolize abogogo bamakhosi aphezulu. The green symbolize ukuphiwa impande yokulapha. Mawunomndawo okumele ulaphe, you wear the green. If you look, there are stripes of red also in this mdawe. The stripe of red, it also symbolize, I don't know if yabonakala red. There's a stripe of red more, it also symbolize umnguni. It also symbolize batho ba mo thabeng, batwa. And the green, it symbolize the plants that you can get in the water and in the land in order gore kgone alafa batho. And the black ke bona bogosi ba metsi le bogosi ba ko godimo. So these three colors ha di tshwane but le tsona di a boa. These colors ha di tshwane but le tsona di a boa. Ke a o alafa ena ke a makhosi a ko godimo for batho ba pula. Ena ke a magosi a dulang ko metsing. Ha re wa sheba batho ba engenasi ko ZCC le ko Shembe, they do wear skosh but bona ba na le ho apara dikoshi tsa masila, something, sorry, banalo apara discourse states masila, something similar to this. This is also a scosh samdawe. This is also a scosh samdawe. So those the first one that I've shown Kitselitsa, the rainbow queen. So how nali malopo lispulane utsamaya uhamba nenkosazane. Mona malopo nispulane kanye nehosana sihamba nenkosazane kakhulu. Yiyo esichuba phambili kuwo wonke umsebenzi esiwenzayo ngoba ama-rituals wethu abase kwinkosazana and siyakhuleka sigcoka all white. Yabona the way ingcoka ingakhona, that's how inkosazana igcoka. Mawuphunyelwa iduke elimhlophe, irogo elingathi iveni elimhlophe or lona lini neyiphika on everything, we also dress like this. And futhi there are other clothes ezomdawe la, but I want to speak about these two clothes. Nalawa indwangu lezi masila kwamdawe. This is a velvet like cloth liyona yamdawe. Gagolo ba garaka namakhalanga ba apara wona gagolo but ke o le wona ke mdawe. Le Batswana re apara tsona le masila a kwamdawe. Le wona re a berekisa for mdawe but le bona Bapedi ba berwa re a di apara tsona masila a ke tsa mdawe, masila a wamdawe. Ba bang ba re kwa Nzunza, but there's no Nzunza if there's no mdawe, it's a pair. There's no God if there's no mother God, it's also a pair. Ayikho indlovukazi, akekho uminzwa konke ubaba wethu semanzulini if indlovukazi yezulu inzala abantu uma akekho. So it's a pair. Kunenkosazana umdawe ulidwa umdawe bese kuba noNzunza, nayibona into enjalo, olidwa amakhehla. So sicala ngabogogo lo nalo le ndwangu le eyomdawe lena isymbolize if uphiwe umdawe ukuthi ukhona ungena emanzini or ekonaheng ube motho o fiweng ditlhare like a herbalist. If ufiwe gore o be ngaka still as a herbalist, normally ba o fa this cloth wa kgona kena ko metsing ka lona uyofuna impande zokulapha ngoba thina ihosana impande zethu esizidlayo ezasemanzini, sidla impande zasemanzini. So umdawe lo but osho ukuthi umdawo uhamba nama herbs ukuthi ukhona ukulapha emanzini. Lo umdawo wezalukwazi, lo umdawo wezalukwazi. If usazilile awukakadli i-initiation yakho, awukakangeni ku-initiation yakho, this is the first stage osigcokayo lesi umdawo wezalukwazi, the red and white, umdawo owezalukwazi. Lona umdawo mawusuphelele sowulande namakhehla, mawusuparolile wenza yonke into, you wear this cloth, the maroon and white, umdawo wamakhehla. But I'm not ey'ndwangeni namhlanje. I wanted to explain broadly gore le rona bathwa re na le wona mdawo, sinawo umdawo wabathwa. Kunomdawo wase-East okhava abo Mozambique, Mozambique, yabona lo mdawo lo sobizwa ukuthi lo ofembayo wakandaramani siyawubona loyo explainile ngaloyo mndawo for the past 3 to 4 years. I've got part 1, 2, 3, but today I'm not in that mndawo. Ke tlo bua ka mndawo wa Bathwa, Malobo le Sipolane le Hosana, mndawo wa Bathwa. And Bathwa people ke tshilo gore ke Babirwa, those Bathwa people ka explain even their animal totem, and ka tjho gore ke Balobedu, ba more where you get bo Queen Mojaji. Balobedu le bona ke the descendants of Bathwa, ba Kharaka le bona the descendants of Bathwa. Abanye bathi amakhalanga are also descendants of Bathwa. Ba Venda are also the descendant of Bathwa. Ba Tlokwa ke the descendants of Bathwa. Ba Kgatla le bona ke the descendants of Bathwa. Ba bo Magoloke ke the descendants of Bathwa. Ba Pedi ke the descendants of Bathwa, le Batswana le Basotho. And Bathwa ke the Khoi, the Khoisan, ba bang ba re le di Bushmen. So re Bathwa, we do have our own mdawe, and mdawe wa rena, that's where you get people ba ba di medium haholo, because re berekisa go sasana, you can connect to the dates. Ba bang ke di astrologists, they connect haholo le weather because re batho ba pula. You communicate wa kgona bona gore pula ya tla, wa kgona bona gore ka re pula ha iyo or e teng or go tsagalang, and re na le matla wa gore if there's a drought we can go fast and go naheng re lo rapella pula. Thobela ne ke batlo bua ntho eo today, ne re bua ka ona mdawe wa Bathwa, ka bua le gore Bathwa ke bo mang, the first people that were residing here in Africa, ke bona Bathwa, the Khoi people, ke rona di descendants tsa Bathwa. So re na le ona mdawe o cover all these nations that I've mentioned, because all these nations are residing from Basotho le Batswana, but they went to side tribes. Ba bang ba ipitsa Babirwa, the others they call themselves Balobedu, ba bang ba ke ba Kharaka, Makhalanga, ba Venda, ba Pedi, ba Tlokwa, ba Kgatla, Balobedu, Bakhelozwi, and so forth. But all these are the descendants of the Khoisan people, re Bathwa, and re na le mdawo wa rena ke ona mdawo re o etsa ka Hosana, ke ona mdawo re o etsang ka Sipolane le Malope. You cannot ore wena una le Ndzundza, una le moya wa Ndzundza, o batla o emisa moya wa Ndzundza, ufuna ukuphakamisa umoya kaNdzundza ungakaphethi isimo somnguni nomndawe. You won't go anywhere. I remember when I started my journey, I was a self-initiate for 11 to 12 years. I'm still saying that. But then after I went through my initiations, I went to Umdawe Kandaramani, Nomgoni first, and then I went to Amalopo Nespulani. I also went to the Sotho initiation. I also went to Amakhosi initiation, Amashoba or Amakhosi wesiZulu. So mawinyanga, you must undergo through. Remember mawinyanga, mabakunike Amakhosi, mawingane Amakhosi. Amakhosi actually awuhambi ney'dalwa ezi-2 or 4. It's actually a group yey'dalwa esihleli kuwo, isigodlo sonke samathonga esihleli kuwo. Utho ukuthi amathonga wakhabo mama kuphathisa lo msebenzi, obvious nawo kumele ubaphethele. Amathonga wakhabo baba kuphathisa omunye umsebenzi, nawo kumele uwaphethele. So umdawe unjalo ke, umdawe unjalo. Ngizoyishiya la namhlanje Kganya le Lesedi. Thobela ne ke batlo tlhalosa ka yona ntho ya mdawe. Thobela